Hey folks, it's JT.
Hey,
Joanne.
stranger over here.
It's been a while since we did a video. Today we're at Office of Kentucky Nature Preserves, the Brigadoon State Nature Preserve. There are no pets allowed in here. There's no motorized vehicles, nothing. It's an old growth forest. They have all kinds of animals in here. And Joanne and I are just gonna go and take a look-see through here and see what's going on. So I'll take you up to the trailhead here. I probably won't be able to take you the whole way. I have no idea how to edit a video, or I'm electronically challenged. Always have been, probably always will be. That's my new ride over there. I traded Lewis for it. Seems to be all right. I got a couple of issues with it I gotta still straighten out. This is a 1 mile loop in here. I won't be able to do the whole loop, but we'll do a little bit. But yeah, we'll go in a little bit ways and then I'll have to shut the camera off. If there's any shakiness, I'm sorry. Look at the size of some of these trees in here. Oh yeah, this is definitely an old growth forest. Look at that. I'll have to have Joanne stand next to that tree over there just to get an idea of the size of it. What do we got here? Now we also have to be mindful of snakes. They blend in so good. So I can't keep the camera on because I gotta watch where I'm going. You guys can pause this and then read it after. It looks like there's maps in here, so let's see if they got one. I love maps. Nope. So anyway, folks, Joanne and I, we're gonna go ahead in and we're gonna go take a look. Joe, would you mind just going and stand by that tree right there?
That's an old tree.
Yeah, there's a lot of big old trees in here.
You could stay here.
This forest hasn't been logged or anything.
Oh, these have chickens on it. Hang on. Yeah, these have thorns.
Yeah.
So.
Anyway. That is a tree. Holy cow.
It's a big one. The thing is, this vine, I don't know if that's the invasive species of vine that can kill a tree.
I'm not sure.
That's concerning. Yeah.
So, anyway, folks, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.